Have you ever felt like you've lived a moment before even though you know it's new? This eerie sensation, known as déjà vu, has intrigued experts for centuries. So, what causes déjà vu? One theory is the memory mismatch theory, where new sensory information mistakenly goes to long-term memory, creating a false sense of familiarity. Another idea is the dual processing delay, where brain pathways fall out of sync, making a moment feel repeated. There's also the neural glitch theory, linking déjà vu to the temporal lobe, where small seizures might trigger the sensation. Lastly, familiarity without recall suggests that a scene feels familiar because it resembles a past experience, even if you can't remember it. Déjà vu is generally harmless, but offers insights into how memory works and how brain pathways communicate. It also helps in understanding neurological conditions like epilepsy, where déjà vu may occur more frequently. While déjà vu remains partly mysterious, it underscores the complexity of the human brain. Next time you experience it, marvel at your mind's incredible ability to perceive reality. Have you had a déjà vu moment? Share below. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.